Hey friends, after a long time I came here back, and before this time when I make video, that time I feel so much nervous, and just now after a long time I'm feeling proud of me, that I'm making video for you. Actually, reason was that I wasn't making videos because lots of people were criticizing me, which wasn't in my contact. Some relationship members and some other person which wasn't in my contact, actually they were criticizing me. When you starts to do something, then everybody want to come and do want to stop that, please don't do. And before that time they don't want to see you, they don't want to contact with you, and when you start, then everybody wants. Actually, reason is that they are not saying us that please do go back. They are they are pushing us for do something, that please do something. Don't take him, other person, don't take him to wrong, that why they are saying to us that please don't do, please don't do. Actually, they are our creator, and they want to increase our confident level, whichever we don't know about that what we are. Actually, we honestly don't know about that what we are. But when people comes in front of us and they push us and they criticize us, so we felt guilty. Lots of time we felt guilty because that why he, what is the reason that they are criticizing us. But no, we won't live. That happens with each and everybody. When he starts to do something, ups and downs comes in everyone lives, not only for me, not only and only for other person, not only and for me, only for in your life. Ups and downs comes in everyone's lives. So you shouldn't leave. Sorry, I'm also not leaving. After a long time I came here back. Actually, I was thinking lots of things in my mind were warring with me. There was a war between me and between my mind, that what are you doing, you are doing nothing. And after that I thought I should start. Actually, there's when I starts video, that time I thought that I will make video for correcting my speaking, so that I can make correction, so that I can improve in my English. And after that, when lots of people pulled my leg and they were criticized, then I thought I will leave it. And after that I starts to make vlog, and in front of that vlog my voice has been stopped. And just now, my friend, and when I thought daily that this isn't happen, this shouldn't happen. And there's lots of variety of people in this world, in this globe, and everybody have their own opinion, and they have right to speak. And they increase our confident level. They are not uh, they are not taking us back. But we think so that why he is, yeah, he or she are saying like this, then maybe we are not like that we can't do anything. But no, it's not good of you. Before first time, when initially when I start my make my video, that time I was taking lots of poses. I was When I start to record my video, that time I was clicking frequently that please do stop. And after that I was start to speak. And just now also I'm doing like this, but I think so one day will come when I won't do like this. Yes. And this is that I'm sharing my personal experience with you. And if you have any suggestion, uh, you can text me in comment box. And actually just now I'm telling those persons who were criticizing me and who saw my video that please don't comment here and there, please do comment in my comment box so that I can improve myself. I don't want to take it to heart. And just now I am making my video by my heart. Actually, if you make anything, if you want to do anything and you are doing that thing by heart, then that thing, I think so, that thing won't be failed ever. Yes. And if you have suggestion for me, then you can tell me, you can comment me. And I am a learner. I won't say that I'm a teacher. I'm not a teacher. I want to learn. I came here to learn. That's why I am making my videos. Because when you see that how many views you get, yes, when you see that how many viewer, how many subscriber you are getting, that times your confident level increase, always increase. And that gives you reinforcement, that push you to go ahead. Yes. That's why I feel, I thought that I will start to learn from here. And if somebody thinks so that there's something for them to learn, uh, yeah, you can, or you can say that I'm teaching to you anything. No, actually I have nothing for you. But if you think so, if you think so, I'm a learner, I'm always learner. And if you think so that there's a something for you for learning, so you too also can learn. And don't think guys that it's my attitude. Actually it's not it's my attitude or ego. Yeah, you are thinking that it's my, maybe it's my ego or attitude. Actually it's not my attitude are speaking here. It's my confident level. It is my confident level that is speaking here. And after this time I will not stop to making any videos. I will do this day by day. If I have time, and I will try to do daily. And I'll I'll start to make time. I'll start to save time, so that's why I can improve in myself. And so that's why I can share with you my personal experience, whatever I face in my life. And whatever I learned still now from this journey of my life. Okay guys, so for today it's over now. Thank you and bye bye and love you all. And if you want to comment me, then you can comment me here in comment box. Okay, bye bye.